Weekly Crypto Regulation News Roundup. SEC ends Ripple case. Trump calls for stablecoin regulation. Crypto regulation. Stablecoin regulation. U.S. crypto regulations. Regulatory realignment unfolds as the SEC steps away from a prolonged crypto case, while policymakers rally for simple stablecoin rules to reshape market oversight and boost investor confidence. Last updated, March 22, 2025. Journalist, Tanzeel Akhtar. Journalist, Tanzeel Akhtar. About author. Tanzeel Akhtar has been covering the cryptocurrency and blockchain sector since 2015. She has written for the Wall Street Journal, Bloomberg, CoinDesk, Bitcoin Magazine, and Bitcoin.com. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. March 22, 2025 at 00:31 GMT+2. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. SEC disengagement from the Ripple dispute hints at a move toward streamlined oversight with more predictable regulatory approaches. Calls for stablecoin regulation seek to establish uniform standards, easing compliance and reducing market uncertainty. These shifts may foster a clearer environment that encourages institutional participation and deeper market engagement. The evolving U.S. framework could set international benchmarks, prompting a broader rethinking of digital asset rules. Regulatory developments in cryptocurrency intensified this week, marked by two major U.S. events: the SEC ending its prominent legal dispute with Ripple over XRP, and President Donald Trump calling for clear stablecoin regulation. Additionally, the U.S. Treasury lifted sanctions on Ethereum mixer Tornado Cash. Meanwhile, on the international stage, Germany's BaFin intensified enforcement by cracking down on Athena's USD token, while Pakistan actively considers legalizing cryptocurrency to stimulate economic growth. These events highlight the evolving global approach as nations seek clearer crypto regulation news, balancing innovation with oversight. SEC ends Ripple case, shaping crypto regulation news. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, officially ended its extended legal proceedings against Ripple, concluding the contentious debate over whether XRP qualifies as a security. Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse announced the resolution on X, emphasizing that XRP was ultimately not classified as a security. Ripple maintained that XRP should not be regulated as a security, consistently challenging the SEC's aggressive enforcement actions, which it claimed negatively impacted XRP investors. Legal experts view the case's resolution as influential, potentially changing regulatory attitudes toward cryptocurrencies. Legal expert Seth Gertz, a partner at Dorsey and Whitney LLP and former federal prosecutor, indicated that the case's outcome is key in establishing legal clarity for the crypto industry, particularly in defining when digital assets fall under securities regulations. Following the announcement, XRP experienced a sharp price increase, moving up to the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization and surpassing major stablecoins like Tether. This resolution is expected to encourage regulatory clarity and bolster investor confidence, especially among digital asset exchanges that previously operated under uncertain legal conditions. Daniel Stabil, from Winston & Strawn LLP, noted that the SEC's decision to end the case may signal a broader shift toward allowing legislative and regulatory processes, rather than litigation, to set clear guidelines for crypto markets. As Ripple celebrates its legal win, another major political figure is stepping into the debate over cryptocurrency regulation. Trump pushes for stablecoin regulation and U.S. crypto dominance. In a virtual speech at the Digital Asset Summit in New York, Donald Trump urged Congress to pass stablecoin regulations with simple, common-sense rules. He also vowed to position the U.S. as a leading player in global cryptocurrency markets. This push for stablecoin regulation matches industry demands for clearer rules, balancing innovation and financial stability. If implemented, such legislation could clarify how stablecoins operate within the U.S. financial system, potentially attracting more institutional investors to the sector. Treasury lifts tornado cash sanctions, but cautions remain. In a major reversal, the U.S. Treasury removed sanctions on Tornado Cash, the Ethereum-based mixer previously blacklisted for allegedly facilitating illicit transactions. You might also like. U.S. Treasury removes sanctions on Ethereum mixer Tornado Cash. This decision follows a reassessment of how financial sanctions apply to decentralized platforms, particularly as the crypto industry evolves. While the move marks a shift in the Treasury's approach, officials stressed that they remain committed to combating financial crime. The agency highlights ongoing concerns over cyber threats, particularly state-sponsored hacking and money laundering linked to North Korea. U.S. residents and businesses were advised to be cautious when engaging with digital asset services that could be exploited for illicit purposes. The decision to lift sanctions suggests regulators may be moving toward a more nuanced approach to decentralized finance, DeFi, recognizing both its risks and its potential. While the U.S. eases some crypto sanctions, European regulators are tightening oversight. Germany's BaFin cracks down on Athena's USD token. In Europe, Germany's financial regulator BaFin took action against Athena GmbH, freezing its asset reserves over concerns about the approval process for its USD token. BaFin suspects that Athena GmbH is offering unapproved securities, including USD and SUSD tokens, without proper authorization under the new markets in crypto assets. MiCA regulations. This move shows the increasing regulatory pressure in the European Union as authorities enforce the recently implemented MiCA framework. BaFin's crackdown on Athena's USD token highlights compliance challenges. Other crypto firms may also need to reassess their strategies to comply with MiCA. Not all countries share Europe's caution. Pakistan is exploring crypto adoption as a growth strategy. Pakistan considers legalizing crypto to boost economic growth. While some countries tighten restrictions, others are moving toward crypto adoption. Pakistan is exploring the legalization of cryptocurrency trading in an effort to attract international investment and stimulate economic growth. Bilal bin Saqib, chief advisor to Pakistan's finance minister for digital assets, emphasized that the country wants to leverage its young, tech-savvy workforce to become a Web3 hub. With 60% of its population under the age of 30, Pakistan sees crypto as an opportunity for financial inclusion and technological advancement. If Pakistan successfully establishes a regulatory framework for crypto, it could position itself as a key player in the digital asset space, particularly in South Asia. However, uncertainty persists about how the government will balance oversight and innovation. The future of crypto regulation, a global balancing act. This week's developments highlight the complex and often contradictory nature of global crypto regulation news. The U.S. is showing signs of a more structured regulatory framework, while Europe is tightening enforcement. Meanwhile, emerging markets like Pakistan are looking to embrace crypto as a means of economic growth. As regulatory approaches evolve, governments worldwide recognize crypto's lasting role in the financial sector. The challenge now is finding the right balance between oversight, innovation, and financial security. Whether through stablecoin regulations, sanctions revisions, or new frameworks for token approvals, the next few months could shape the future of crypto for years to come. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. How will the SEC's withdrawal affect crypto enforcement? The SEC's retreat signals a shift from heavy litigation to clear, consistent rules. This move aims to lower enforcement burdens and create a stable regulatory environment, reducing uncertainty for crypto operators. What benefits can clear stablecoin regulations offer? Defining stablecoin rules can standardize market practices and lower compliance costs. Clear guidelines boost investor confidence and spur innovation by cutting legal ambiguities that hinder institutional investment. How might these changes influence global crypto standards? U.S. policy shifts may set international benchmarks, encouraging other nations to streamline their frameworks. A unified approach can boost cross-border investments and harmonize digital asset practices globally. What impact could clearer crypto rules have on institutional investment? Clearer rules reduce legal risks and operational uncertainty, making the market more attractive to institutions. Predictable oversight can spur long-term investments and deepen overall market engagement. What further changes can we expect in the crypto regulatory landscape? We can expect incremental updates as regulators refine their approach through ongoing industry dialogue. Future measures will likely target major market players and clarify compliance standards for digital assets. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. New data. XRP whale holdings are surging. Is a big breakout coming? Popular crypto X account watcher. Guru hacked. Is it spreading fake XRP news? Mystery whale moves 534 BTC. Is a massive Bitcoin sell-off coming? Price analysis. When will Binance list PiCoin? PI crashes 20% amid scam claim. 11 hours ago. By Simon Chandler. Altcoin news. Cardano price holds above key support level. Is now the perfect ADA buy opportunity? 22 hours ago. By Joel Frank. Blockchain news. Trump calls for landmark stablecoin regulation and simple, common-sense rules. 1 day ago. By Tanzeel Akhtar. Best crypto to buy now in March 2025. Top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in March 2025. March 12, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 9 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Medb Keeley-Cuddy. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in March 2025. March 3, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. March 3, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. The 12 next cryptocurrencies to explode in 2025. Our top picks. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH reach $5,000? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.